You guys see it? Powered by SVT. Oh, powered by SVT and powered by SRT. So it's SVT versus SRT today. You guys see it, man? Where we at? Where we at? Okay. Is that the GT500? Damn, all right. Yes, sir. Hey, what's good with it, man? All right, that's not what I usually say. You guys get to see the behind the scenes. What's good, guys? Who is LouieXIII back again? I am Louie, of course. See my boy Juan right there. See my boy Adrian over there being all Mandy, as they say.
His hand in his pants.
All that. But yeah, man, you guys see it. If you've seen the last video or one of the last videos, I just did the review on this GT500. And this thing's bad. If you want to see my full opinion on it, if I like it better than the Scat, go check that out. But as you guys can see today, we got a little Mexico video for you guys today, man. You can see we got them lined up, got them a little bit at an angle, having a little photo shoot. We're gonna get some runs in today, man. See if the Scat could keep up with the supercharged GT500 2012 550 crank. We'll pop the hood and all that for you guys in a minute. But put down in the comments what your guys' predictions are, what you think, who's gonna take it. I don't know how much these weigh. Do you know how much they weigh?
I think like around 3,800.
3,800? Okay. So it is a little lighter than mine and a little more horsepower, but it is a 6-speed. So, you know, I do have an 8-speed automatic. Obviously, these don't come manual. Oh yeah, and then they'll have 2 passengers, you know what I'm saying? It'll just be me and mine. We did get a run in before, but it wasn't at the good power bands. You want to pop the hood on this thing and show them real quick? Yeah, just in case they didn't see the last video. Yes, sir. You guys see it. And the first time I popped this, well, you guys could go see in the other video my first impression on it, but you guys see the supercharger up top. Got the, and this is all stock. Got the blue valve covers right there. That's dope. And then the big old air filter intake. You guys see it? Powered by SVT. Oh, powered by SVT and powered by SRT. So it's SVT versus SRT today. Damn, they don't want us to know the torque. I'm gonna guess 485.
510.
Oh shit, I was off, bruh. I was low, 510 on the torque. So this has more torque, more horsepower. All I have is the intake. As you can see, GT Momentum GT. I got the oil catch can.
The nitrous
lines, you see it. Pretty much the only mod I got done is this intake here and the turbos that are underneath the engine. Helion kit, you know.
That's why he's beating everybody.
For real.
Right,
so let's take predictions. Who you think is gonna take it, Juan? Who you got your money on? You're driving the Shelby. You got the Ford? All right, what about you, Adrian?
Shelby. Probably the Scatty.
You think the Scatty?
Nah, the GT500.
Got the GT500?
Nah, it's Ford, nah.
All right, well, man, hey, you guys see it? We're about to take a little trip to Mexico and see what's good. So next time you guys see us, we're about to be in Mexico, baby. Make your predictions now. Who will take it? See you guys in a minute.
I got the Scatty because fuck one. Gotta
get this thing ready a little bit. Don't want to get it too hot, but you you know, just let it know that it's about to go down, you know what I'm saying? I like to do that a little bit before my runs, just so it knows, man, it's wartime, baby. It's battle time, we gotta get it. That was a good one. We stuck with him. I think he got a better jump than me though. Good. 60 again? Let's do 60 again. Try a 40. Sideways on that one, guys. See, those are the good ones for me. He messed up though. I don't know if he shifted late or what happened. Hey, for this, you know, keeping up with the supercharged GT500 like that, man, you gotta put some respect on the Scat's name. Even though this is a 2020, that's a 2012. The 20? If I could get a little 20 in. Hey, you want me to honk? Got him on the 20, baby. from a 20, I ain't gonna lie. Done. 40? To the SCATPACK, man. That's a supercharged Shelby Gt500 right there, man. And the Scatty putting in work, baby. You know, like I said, there is a big gap in the years, but still, man, that's 550 horsepower, 510 torque. This 485, and I believe, damn, I damn near forgot the torque on it. It's like 460 something or something like that. But man, hey, put some respect on the Scat's name, man. Those are some good runs, bro. That was fun. I ain't gonna lie. That was fun. Up, man. About to talk about it, see what he thought. We back, and that shit was lit. That was fun as hell. That was some good runs, bro. That shit was fun.
Fucking first gears were a no-go though.
No-go on the first, huh? Even I was spinning in the first, so I could only imagine that one. But so what were you shifting at, like when we were?
Like not red, 6,000. This thing red lines at 62, I believe.
So you're going to like 6?
As soon as I touched 6, I just shifted it.
Okay, that's a good little area to shift at.
Yeah.
But hey, bro, I mean, the Scat wasn't doing too bad, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It wasn't. What'd you think about it?
It's fucking Scat's surprising, dude.
It
I've
did.
seen other Scats in this town, they're not as fast as this one.
Hey, what's the difference then?
I don't know, bro. If you ask, like, a lot of people say, no, there ain't no difference, it's just the tires. But bro, tires don't make that much of a difference, especially on rolls. I think it's just like, they say it's the same exact thing, but I think it's probably just different tuning, maybe different shift points.
Yeah, that shit's weird though. They hella quick.
It surprises, bro. It surprises. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I'm proud of it. I'm proud of it. But that thing right there ain't nothing to play with. There is a big difference, like gap in years. This is a 2020, 2012 right here. But I mean, for keeping up with the supercharged vehicle like that, man. Overall, the GT500 took it.
Yeah.
But I mean,
I think it's topping for days. I could not get fifth gear, dude. I think it was too far away for some reason.
Oh, for real?
That's the gear when we had, I think it was a 20 roll, no?
One of them.
First gear.
You missed it?
Yeah, I missed second gear. No, I didn't miss second gear. I was gonna, as soon as I floored, that shit went off to the red line all crazy.
Yeah.
And then I was gonna shift it out of it, and then I was like, nah, I'm just gonna let off, and I just let off the freaking gas.
It was the first 40, no?
Yeah.
Oh, it was a 20 roll when we
It
did
was
it.
a 40. Because I was already like at 4,000 RPM at the first gear.
Those are my best rolls, dude. Like that thing gets out on those 40s and those 20s.
Yeah, I think the boost just hits too hard on these things.
Yeah.
New first gear rolls.
Probably,
I thought
yeah.
you missed the gear, but we're going.
Damn near right when you hit it, you probably got a shift, huh?
Yeah. It just yeets it to the red line.
Yeah,
Yeet. Hell yeah, but hey, those are some good runs, man. That was fun as hell.
Probably the last time you'll see me driving this car.
Last time?
Yeah.
Until it's yours?
My brother sees this video, dog, he's gonna get mad.
You think so?
Nah, I don't know,
You
dude.
don't get mad. I don't think so.
Nah, I just say it.
Well, we gonna see, we gonna see.
Find a coffin.
Full
if,
of
this,
seats and a coffin and wheels.
if this is the last time you guys see Juan, then you know it was good knowing you, bro. You're a cool guy. Appreciate you. But yeah, man, that was dope runs. I had fun, you know what I'm saying? We got some good little shots for you guys. Yeah, man, drop down in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. But that's pretty much gonna do it, man. You guys heard the future plans for this, and maybe Juan's pretty soon, and maybe not. Who knows? We'll see. Only time will tell. Juan does get it. You could expect some upgrades, like he said.
Yeah.
You know, so we'll see, man. Stay tuned for the content with the 10-speed F-150. Maybe when it's full bolt on, maybe before, maybe both, who knows? You know what I'm saying? But that thing gets it too. I've been inside that one already. That thing gets it, so we'll see. Maybe we'll get some digs in or something. We'll see, man. But yeah, thank you guys. Oh, I know, I gotta get tires. Yeah, whoever said don't make another video till I get new tires, I got you, bro. Ain't no more digs till I get new tires, or at least I won't complain about it anymore, alright? But yeah, man, that's gonna do it for this one. You guys see the merch, go cop it. All links are in the description. Go follow the gaming channels. All links are in the description for all that. Go follow my boy Juan. Go follow my boy Adrian right here. They got some content coming as well, man. You know, they got stuff of their own happening, so go see what they got going on. And yeah, man, who is LouieXIII checking out? Salute. Catch you guys on the next one.